Okay, now we're gonna work on power hitting, right? Everybody wants to hit for power. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you 3 drills that we like to see kids work on hitting for power. And none of them require us to hit as hard as we can. Most of our power is gonna be coming from our hips and our legs as we drive through a baseball. So what we wanna see with these drills is really focusing on how we're gonna use our hips and our leg, specifically our back one, getting through a baseball, okay? So the first drill on this is gonna be our hip separation drill. So what happens is we're gonna, again, set our tee up right in the middle, get set up so we feel comfortable in our stance, okay? We're gonna load, and then all it's gonna be is hip 1, 2, 3, and if you guys notice, my head and my hands have been staying still this whole time, and it's my hip and my knee are starting to get driving through a baseball. So as I get to my 3rd hip drill, then from here, it's a swing. Okay, understanding that we use our hip, then our hands to hit a baseball. Okay, that drill right there, you can do about 10 reps of those, is gonna be a good number to start with. The next drill in this sequence is called our stride drill. So what now we're working on is we're getting set up in our stance. Okay, feel comfortable. And all we're doing is bringing our front foot back. Same thing, stride 1, back. Stride 2, back. Stride 3, back. And on the 4th one, I'm striding and then swinging. Because what that is working on is us understanding the movement we need to have back towards the pitcher and the baseball, and yet still keeping my hands back to separate from my hips. The last drill of this requires an extra tool. So if you can, these are available on Amazon. It's a half cone. A lot of people use them for balance, but we like to use them for hitting. If you don't have one of those, tennis ball is the next easiest thing to get. I'm assuming everybody has one of those. Or take your dog's favorite chew toy, okay? And all we want to do with these, whichever one you want to use, okay? Again, you're setting yourself up, feel comfortable. See where your back foot's at? You're going to put the cone there or the tennis ball. What you're going to do is your back foot is going to step on the side of it to now where your foot is at an angle and my knee is already starting to work towards the pitcher back up the field. Set yourself up, and it's going to be a full swing. So I'm going to load and work on driving through a baseball. Again, if you don't have a cone, set the tennis ball up. Same type of thing. I want to step on the tennis ball to where my foot is at an angle, so I'm kind of more on the inside part of my foot. Here, set myself up, load, and drive through a baseball.